Hello, Monique Prince, life coach. I have the recipe for life. Write this down. Pause me, get a piece of paper. This is so exciting. I'm going to talk pretty fast, and I have the list to my left right here. I just wrote all this down this morning. First of all, everything is energy. Your energy, I'm energy. Everything is energy, and this is an energy game. If your game's not going so well, this is even better for you. All right, I want you to thrive. I want you to succeed. Save this, share it with your friends, family, everybody in contacts. This is 100% up to you, not anybody else. This is you. This is going to give you tools in your toolbox. Some of this may take a week to implement, a year to implement, a couple years to implement, but this is the recipe. Ready? Let's go. Stress is your enemy, and that's a dark energy. We have to clear out the dark energies. That's step number one. I just posted a video. March 11th is today's date. It's right behind this one. Look at that video. You've got to clear out the dark energies in order for the good stuff to come in. It's very specific. Gary Spivey, tapping, and the cancel. Those are things you're going to use. We have to change your energy field, and then everything can come in. Next, as you're clearing out the dark energies, you have to filter out those people in your life that are like hornets. They give you stings. Would you let a bunch of hornets, a hornet's nest into your house? No. All right? Clear out those people who are not supportive. At least temporarily, you can't hang out with them. All right? Can't hang out with them. If they send you a text, an email, something, delete it. All right? You have to clear everyone out who's not supporting you, who doesn't love you, who doesn't have your back. Okay? You have to focus on you and get you healthy, and then you'll have the energy and the tools to help them if you want to. Delete and block. And you have to shut yourself up too. You are your enemy. Those words that are going through your mind, that self-deprecation, that self-doubt, all those fears and anxieties and that anger, that has to go. That's part of the dark energies. Get excellent sleep. I just posted a video again, March 11th, on getting excellent sleep. This is really the foundation after clearing out those energies so that you can have the energy and the focus to do what you really want to do. If you're experiencing something bad, say it out loud. This is bad. I don't like it. And then you're not going to hold on to it. You're going to kind of put it into a ball and then send it out and say, all right, what do I want? All right, so take that energy of that bad thing and say, well, what do I really want? And put that dream out into the universe for yourself. Stop the negative input coming into your eyes and your ears, what you are watching and what you are taking in all around you, on the television, on the computer, on the media. That has an impact. You have to clear and clean that out. Only start letting the positive stuff come in. Don't make comments on things you don't like. Just scroll past it, okay? All right, so you're filtering out the bad. Now you got to bring in the good stuff, okay? You have to start replacing all that negativity with positivity. Playing, having fun, positive input, and positive output, what you're hearing, seeing, experiencing, make it positive and fun and loving and gentle and beautiful. Go to places that are beautiful, things that are beautiful. Take a nature walk, nature videos, outdoor games. Go to the water, anywhere water. Get into the sunshine. You need the sun on your face and in your skin. Not a lot, enough. The wind, relaxation, yoga, massage, stretching, okay? Work on your spiritual development. This is an energy spiritual game. Alrighty? Meditate, effective prayer. I'm going to do a video on that if I haven't done it already. It'll be posted very shortly. Effective prayer, releasing all these outcomes to God, okay? That thing you want, you have to surrender and let go. It can be very difficult. Gratitude. Just start walking around going, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Blessings, okay? Don't curse anybody. Don't curse yourself. Bless, 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 bless. Bless everyone. Love everyone. You're going to need several notebooks. Get white lined paper and some index cards that look like this, and a box of blue pens because you're going to be writing. On the index cards, I'll give you an example. All right, this says second floor completed. Oh, hopefully it's not backwards. All right, so I was working on my apartment building. I had to get the second floor completed. That was my one focus. What's your next logical step for your success and your thriving? That's next. Write it on the little index cards with the blue. I got a blue Sharpie as well. And you're going to take a bunch of these cards. You're going to put them at the kitchen sink, in the bathroom, in your car, next to your bed, everywhere, so that you're focusing on your next logical step. Your big dreams, you're going to write them down once a week on paper, write them out. Ooh, so grateful for this, the house, the car, the relationship, whatever it is, more spiritual gifts. You're going to write those down as your big dream and your big goal, but you're not going to stay up there. You're going to just visit that a couple times during the day and imagine it. Look at my pinned videos. There are 3 of them that give you the instructions on how to do that. And meanwhile, you're going to work on your next logical step. All right? Next, you must clean and organize your house. Get rid of the junk. You can't have good energy in your house if it's dirty and there's stuff everywhere. Get rid of stuff you don't need. All right? Clean up your finances. I did a video on that. Very important. Financial stress is a big thing for people, and there's so much you have control over and things that you can do to minimize that or make it go away altogether. Let's see here. Each night you're going to make a list on that pad of paper that you get, a list of things to do, but only pick 6 that are absolutely essential that must be done the next day. You can even add things on there that are easy, like make your bed, eat, take a shower. You have to start getting success cycles and recognize your neuro pathways need to recognize I am succeeding. So when you write something down and then check it off completed, that's a win. You say, "Ooh, I'm a winner. I succeeded. Look at this. I did something." And you're your cheerleader. You have to be your cheerleader. It builds you up. So make that list of 6 things. As you do them, check them off. Only essential things. Everything else that doesn't have to be done can wait. And each night you make a list for the following day, date it, and then when you get your thing done, you check it off and start saying in the mirror, I'm a winner, I'm a winner, I'm a winner. You're a winner, you're a winner, you're a winner. Say that to yourself over and over and over. You have to undo the programming that you've received. All right, your physical health, and I've done videos on these. Taking care of your teeth, your digestive tract, your skin, your body, your eyes. Get a holistic doctor. Go to Standard Process website and find a local doctor in your area that does muscle testing. All right? Go to the Weston A. Price, WESTONA Price.org website to learn how to eat properly. I've done tons of videos on that. I also have a section in my Tame Your Wild Child is the book that I wrote. There's a whole section in the middle that teaches you how to switch over to natural foods. Home holistic remedies. I just posted a video on that. Hygiene products. I posted a bunch of videos last summer. So healthy moisturizers on June 28th. Healthy hygiene products, June 22nd. Healthy teeth care, June 22nd. Healthy doctor, 4/17 last year, April 17th, I gave an example. I went to the doctor, and so you can see what the muscle testing it looks like for the Standard Process doctor. And then stop eating salty snacks. That was on January 4th of last year. And how to dilute essential oils on February 26th last year. Okay, next, keep going. Cleaning products. Get rid of the bleach. Only get natural products. Cosmetics, hygiene products, everything natural. Get rid of the air freshers. Very, very harmful. Get sober. Get off sugar and grains, caffeine, nicotine, weed, alcohol, and other drugs. I'm going to do a video, or I already did, on this right here is a reflex from early childhood. If you're smoking things, eating things, chewing things, that's a reflex that has to be completed in order to overcome that. If you have any physical trauma, you have to have massage done and visceral manipulation. Bless your food. Bless your food. It's so important. It's an energy. Send a blessing and love into that and into your water. Stay hydrated. With spring water, you need to carry Celtic sea salt on you and be eating that throughout the day, a lot of it. I really recommend that you get the book, Your Wish is Your Command, so you can start expanding your wealth, your love, your spiritual creation. Very, very important. Read uplifting instructional books. Listen to audios like this too. Love as much as you can. Love where it's hardest to love. Be gentle to you. Be gentle to yourself. Pass love on to your children. Financial health. I did an entire couple videos on financial health and figure out how to be around wealthy people until you are completely wealthy, because there's an energy, a vibe you'll catch. Hang out at the restaurant in the local country club, okay? Drive around nice neighborhoods, that sort of thing. Start making decisions that are life-giving to you. Start giving. Tithe your time, money, treasures when you can. Don't put yourself in financial stress, though. All right? And share this with everyone in your contacts. This is so important. If your friends and family are not supportive, cut them off temporarily. Get my book, Tame Your Wild Child, for a whole bunch of helpful things. Monique Prince, life coach. I love you.